Hello, in front of me I've got Marathon. In this video I'll show you how to manage Armoury. In the beginning, let's go to Loadout from my menu and go to Armoury. Here, on the left side, select faction. Each faction has different stuff. Select, for example, weapon or ammunition or consumables you would like to buy and purchase it. You can also get free items. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.